if you want to create a high density wig, or a wig that's a little thicker than it normally would be with like single wefts, you can actually double the wefts on the sewing machine. So I'll show you all how to do that before we get started with making this wig. And I just got like some hair, so I can show you all how to do this. And we just would put the two tracks together that are single. So we would put them together like this, and then we would put them onto the sewing machine. And remember, with the Singer settings, it needs to be on 2 when doubling wefts, and then it needs to be on 3 when sewing the wefts to the cap to make the wig. So right now we are on 2 for length, and we will get started with doubling the wefts. So you just pretty much want to make sure the needle is going through both of those wefts. You just take your time to get started, and then you can back stitch. We did see both of those needles, that needle go through both of those wefts. So we're just going to hold the reverse down to back stitch to make sure we got it locked in place. Keep stitching down the track. And you're going to not hold it too much together, but just hold it in place so you can make sure that it's together for the machine. And then after you double the wefts on the sewing machine, this is how it looks. Very seamless.